Have you ever tried to access custom attributes in Office 365 only to hit a wall? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to manage your mailboxes effectively. If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into how to access CustomAttribute1 in Exchange Online. I totally get it. You set up a new mailbox, you think everything is in place, and then you realize you can't access those custom attributes. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users face similar challenges when working with Exchange Online. Here's the specific question we're tackling today. A user recently asked, is there any API that exposes CustomAttribute1 through CustomAttribute15 in Exchange Online? They mentioned trying various options with EWS, Microsoft Graph, and AAD Graph API without success. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the deal with these custom attributes? Custom attributes are often used for additional metadata in Exchange Online, but accessing them through APIs can be tricky. Understanding the limitations of the APIs is crucial for finding a solution. And hang tight. I have a valuable tip at the end that could save you a lot of time and frustration when working with Exchange Online. To access the Custom Attribute 1 in Office 365, the user should first understand that these attributes are not directly exposed through the Microsoft Graph API or EWS. Instead, they are primarily used for on-premises scenarios. Next, the user can utilize PowerShell to retrieve the mailbox details, including the custom attributes. This can be done using the getMailbox command. If the user needs to synchronize these attributes with Azure Active Directory, they should consider using Azure AD Connect. This tool allows for synchronization of on-premises Active Directory attributes to Azure AD. Lastly, if the user is looking for a programmatic way to access these attributes, they might need to explore using the Microsoft Graph API for other user properties, as CustomAttribute1 through CustomAttribute15 are not available. Fun fact, did you know that Exchange Online is constantly evolving? New features and updates are rolled out regularly, so it's always good to stay informed about the latest changes. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach, suggested by another user, involves creating an extension to store your custom value. You can then retrieve this data using the Microsoft Graph REST API. Additionally, if you want Microsoft Graph to support retrieving custom attributes set by the setMailbox command, you can submit feedback through the provided link. Here's the tip I promised. Keep an eye on the Microsoft Graph API updates. They frequently add new features, and you might find that custom attribute access becomes available in the future. And there you have it. While accessing Custom Attribute 1 in Exchange Online can be challenging, understanding the limitations and keeping up with updates can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating Office 365.